conversation across the sea, city to city. Come par with me. Tell me when you're ready, ready to leave with my cruising family across the skies and sea. Come and par with me, yeah. What you waiting for? Just step out that door and explore. Are you ready to par with me and this cruising family, my cruising family?
Thank you, Al.
You're welcome.
This is our room aboard the Norwegian Pearl for the Maxwell Hang Suite cruise. Obviously, this is an interior stateroom for two. It can accommodate a third, as you see from the bunk bed here that is not in use because it's only two of us. And yes, it's tiny. I'm gonna do a spin around. It's tiny. It's tiny. Al, is this tiny?
Very tiny.
But will it work?
Make it work.
We did not come on a Maxwell Hang Suite cruise to stay in the room. So let me show you around this room. It is pretty tight over here. It's literally just the phone here and two shelves, so I guess it can be tight because we don't really need to be over here. There's the switch for the lights on this side, and Allan had to get up for me to get over here to show you that there's a switch for the light on this side also, and some shelving. So clearly you can't even really get in here unless you're shorter than this. So yeah, there's that. So we are here at the table, the desk, the makeup bench. I guess this functions as any of those. There's a little stool, there's a trash can and a blow dryer under there, and the desk with literature for information on our cruise. Shelving. This room does have a lot of shelving at first glance. There's a room service and minibar menu. We're not gonna use that. I don't usually use that on a cruise, but you know, if you like that, go ahead, do it. There's a refrigerator, thanks Al. And these beverages are for purchase, okay? The water, sparkling and still, are for purchase, and the drinks are for purchase. And there's the price list. Even if you have a beverage package, these drinks are not included in that. You'll be charged, so just know that. You can go to the bar and use your beverage package or just pay a la carte. Here are the closets. We did just get in here, and as we said, the space is tight, so we stuck a few of our bags in here. That red one and our black book bag are in here. And there's the safe. Below that, some drawer space. This is really adequate drawer space and shelving for these 5-day cruises that the Norwegian Pearl does. I believe it also does shorter cruises. There's a laundry bag here. Like a laundry bag list. Sorry guys, I'm delirious. If you saw, you know we had a long travel day before cruise day. So here's our laundry bag with the pricing list. If we want to send laundry out, we can do that. There are lots of hangers in this side of the closet, that side of the closet, and there are more life vests. Or I should say, there are 2 life vests. So there are 2 of us in here, so they put the number of life vests in the room that will be needed if there's an emergency, which thank God there won't be. So yes, there's the ladder for that bunk bed that we don't need. So that's in the closet. If you do have a third person, it's good to know. And there's the shelving again. And I mentioned this room is really good with space for such a tiny room. On the back of the door, as you see here, are emergency instructions. Our muster station G is on the back of the door here. We already went there before coming to the room to do our muster check-in. And as I'm standing here, I'm opening the door to the bathroom because this room here is actually quite impressive. For a tiny room, this bathroom is pretty good. There's a grab bar here near the toilet. There's shelving here by the toilet. Mouthwash glasses that we never use. There's hand soap. The drain is nice. The sink is nice. Not a lot of sink space here, but then there's the space there. So that works. And there's a trash can, towels, sanitary napkin disposals, tissue, all the standard bathroom things. And the toilet brush if you need to do that at any point. And look, it's a glass shower door, and not just a shower door, but a good enough size shower. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, I'm outside here. I'm gonna have Allan come and show you what this space is really looking like. Show you me in the shower. Al, come help me out, babe. Oh, and here's the conditioning shampoo and body wash. So let me show the people. And this is what the space looks like. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, okay, so it's not wide, but it's wide this way, kind of, right? For a cruise ship bathroom, it's pretty good. In the shower is also the clothesline. And there you have it, stepping out of the shower. Note the hooks and rails. Again, lots of space in this bathroom. And as you come out, there is the thermostat. The room is set to the coolest possible temperature now. There are 2 hooks. Full-length mirror. Okay. The television. And shelving again. Ooh, the mirror has like a control button right here. Look at that, moonlight. And outlets. Everyone is always interested in outlets, and I skipped over this earlier, so here we go. Oh, yeah, you have it.
A few moments later.
Was it made up? I don't think it's been touched. I thought we would have come into the room made up, so that's different. I don't know if that's just because it's the first day. But yeah, this is how we left it. So back to our room, and it is made up. Let me step out to show you the trick, though. It's not really a trick. We didn't do it last night, so when you're leaving the room, if you want it to be made up, then you turn it to say makeup room, and if you don't want it to be made up, you do not disturb, and when they make it up, they put it on welcome. All right. Thanks for watching.
Just step out that door and explore. Are you ready to par with me and this cruising family? My cruising